Before we proceed to create employee agent, let's understand some things related to it. First, Salesforce is recommended to use AgentForce Employee Agent because AgentForce default is going to be deprecated. Employee agents are pre-configured with topics and actions for many use cases. Employee agents are user-specific, and Einstein trust layer is always there to protect your org data. You can toggle between multiple agents as shown in the image. These are some use cases where you can utilize the employee agent. Let's create a new employee agent to get order details. If you check the agent settings, you will find that there's no particular user mentioned for this agent like we have for service agent, because it's user context specific. We remove the general FAQ topic for now. We will create our own topic for order-related queries. Our agent is activated. Let's check it showing there or not. As you can see, we are only able to see the AgentForce default agent but not the new employee agent, because we haven't given the agent permission to our user. Let's create a new permission set and assign to our user. When you will create a new or edit existing permission set, you will find a permission named Agent Access. You need to click on that permission and add your employee agent there. If you notice, only employee agents will show in the list, not the service or other agents. So our new employee agent is available now. Let's try it.